I'm on my way. Hit the button. Sorry, it's not waving. Yo, just feel like I'm always there, one of a kind. Am I? Yes, I am one of a kind. I am one of a kind. I am playing out 9 a.m. You get hit one time, that's it. Then you'll be flatline, that's it. I'm not talking drama, but it can happen. Don't play with me. I'm the captain, ain't nothing under me. When he say nothing under me, no nothing under me. Playing with me, that's this you'll be. That's where you'll be, laying under me. Casket, I mean, we'll step on you, but it'll be the ground over our feet. Playing, but you'll see after this game is over. It's not the playing type you see. This console controller is me. I will straight up fold you and I'll carry you like groceries. Don't play with my style. Catastrophe is what happens if you need. These hands are made for walls and steel because they break concrete. I'm not playing, but nobody, they not Wolverine clawing me. I got this, my jaw is locked because I can't get it in the mouth. You understand, I'm not bluffing, but hey, y'all wanna play with me like now. I don't even like you like now and then. If it was beginning, then this is the end. If it was friendship, nigga, close that line. I'm not playing. Look in my eyes, this is the real me, and I gotta realize on that table I was about to die. Who the fuck was on my side? It was a couple spirits, but who really lied? I don't care, it doesn't even matter. Going in the stroll, nobody can tell me nothing now. Now you're mad because I'm not talking now, but y'all wasn't talking about what I did to a couple people's faces. Don't be playing with me, I will just replace them. Put them with somebody else that can really expand. I mean, increase or something expanding over. Okay, I get it, nobody's explaining it to me. That's why they don't want to talk it. You ain't gonna walk it, I will. Don't worry, it's Jesus walks with me, no Kanye beat. I'm going in my mode. Niggas getting old, niggas getting mold. No, I mean, niggas getting sold. I mean, really rolled like I'm low. No, not go. I'm not, oh no, I'm not a ghost, not at all. Putting niggas in stall. I mean, I know I can draw. Then I flush them down the drain like they was up in the stall. Bathroom style. Y'all niggas blows, y'all niggas fall, y'all niggas hard. Y'all coughing, y'all need some horse. And niggas dying from a cough. That shit crazy, and I don't know what they is on. That shit wavy. Fuck no, out of my zone. Circumference and no proximity of mine. You getting? I'm in a bubble. Leave me out. All of that bullshit now. Y'all niggas acting like cicadas. All the fuck around dying. Just around for nothing, violence. All y'all getting on my nerves with that bullshit. Let's get back to the other things that I get. Getting mad. No, I don't. I swole it down mindset. Nigga getting mad cause I'll check you without chest. I don't know what you was on, but it's God bless. If you sneeze, no, it's this. When I blew out this motherfucker go down and it's like nose running. Your niggas don't get it. Your flow fushing. And I mean, I'm talking blood. It started rushing out of your body and you know it's going down. And you start to get the woozy and you're about to pass out. I'm running through the city with my rounds. It's 410, baby, all the time. Word of mouth. If it's not 10 toes down, then what? You got no feet. You told me now. You need to go to sleep. I ain't playing with no niggas that don't fuck with me, cause I don't fuck with them. If they don't fuck with me, simply that's that. Why would you make a little beef? Fuck you, you whack. And that's my industry. End of street.